Hey, welcome back to our channel. We are here for more design ideas, most exciting trends in modern sofa design. In the rapidly evolving world of interior design, sofas have become more than just functional furniture. They are now artistic statements that reflect our individuality and style. Join us to explore some of the most innovative and captivating sofa designs that are reshaping the way we experience in our living spaces. First up, we have the trend of modular sofas. This versatile creation allow you to customize your sitting arrangement to fit any space or occasion. With interchangeable sections and accessories, you can easily transform your sofa from a cozy love seat to a spacious sectional or even a stylish chaise lounge. This design concept emphasizes adaptability and personalization, making it perfect for both compact apartments and expensive living rooms. Now let's dive into the realm of futuristic sofa design. With the advancement in materials and technology, designs are crafting sofas that are not only visually striking but also offer incredible comfort. Imagine sofas equipped with built-in LED lighting, wireless charging ports, and even integrated speakers. These sofas are designed to enhance your lifestyle by seamlessly integration modern convenience into your relaxing space. Our next trend revolves around turning sofas into artistic expressions. Bold colors, intricate patterns, and unconventional shapes are taking center stage. Sofas are being transformed into true works of art that serve as focal point within a room. From abstract prints to hand painted designs, these sofas effortlessly blend functionality with aesthetics, allowing you to showcase your personality and creativity. Last but not least, let's explore some concept of luxurious minimalism. This design philosophy embraces clean linens, neutral tone, understated elegance. Sofa design in this style exudes a sense of limitless and timeless sophistication while prioritizing comfort. And there you have it, it's a glimpse into the captivating world of modern sofa design. From modular marble to a sustainable sophistication, these trends are reshaping the way we think about our living space. So make sure if you like any design, so please thumbs up and subscribe our channel for more inspiring videos. Thank you for joining us today.